Good afternoon, dear friends. Happy day to all of you. So friends, I have important news today. There is a new official update for the fourth stimulus checks. A new timeline has been released, and more Americans are finally beginning to receive another stimulus payment. $270 checks has been approved by our lawmakers. My friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video. Also, to say thank you for joining me here every day and watching the videos I post, I'm giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please enter today's giveaway by clicking and liking several of my videos and then commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways.
The failure of the Biden administration to provide for our economy, to provide for the economic well-being of America. At home in Pennsylvania, I've heard stories of parents unable to afford back-to-school clothes and supplies for their children, and patients unable to afford the gas to put in their cars to drive to doctor's appointments. These problems are fruits from the same poisonous tree. Reckless government spending has sent prices skyrocketing across our economy. Instead of addressing this cause, liberals continue to double down by passing their so-called Inflation Reduction Act, while the Congressional Budget Office now reports that this act will increase our deficit through 2026. The fact is simple. President Biden has proven that he is unable to stop the runaway inflation that has raised the cost of housing, raised the cost of groceries, and continues to affect energy sources throughout America. The answer to this crisis will not be found in more government handouts. Now, more than ever, we need to stop the inflation that is crippling our economy and hurting Pennsylvania and all American families. Thank you.
So friends, there is an update for the next round of stimulus checks. About 1.75 million New Yorkers can expect to receive a $270 stimulus check sometime over the next month as part of Democratic Governor Kathy Hochul's efforts to combat inflation in the state. The stimulus payments are part of a $475 million tax relief program that was unveiled by New York lawmakers on September 8th, seeking to improve affordability for low-income residents. According to state officials, eligible residents of New York who received the Empire State Child Tax Credit or the Earned Income Credit on their 2021 state tax returns will receive their checks by the end of October. Governor Kathy Hochul said in a statement, "With this relief package, we're making good on our commitment to helping hardworking New Yorkers through the nationwide affordability crisis. This program will put money back in the pockets of nearly 2 million New York families who are struggling to make ends meet in the face of the crisis, inflation, and other rising costs." The $270 checks are part of the additional New York State Child and Earned Income Tax payment that was approved with the state's budget for the 2023 fiscal year. All eligible residents do not need to take any action to receive these checks because they will be sent out by the state automatically. The Department of Taxation and Finance does not have a specific delivery schedule for when the check should arrive, but agency officials said they should be delivered on or before October 31st, 2022. New York Assembly Speaker Carl Heastie told reporters this week, "This will put money back into the pockets of hardworking families who have been struggling with the already high costs of childcare, along with the rising costs at the grocery and gas pump. Our families have felt the effects of a global crisis and now inflation, and we will continue working to provide the relief they need." So friends, it is really great to see that more financial assistance is starting to go out to the American people. Please let me know in the comments section below if your state or city is providing their residents with additional stimulus payment. Friends, the keyword for this video is ostrich. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword was just ostrich and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you are subscribed to my channel. About 6 million Illinois residents will be receiving an income tax rebate, property tax rebate, or both starting this month. And that's thanks to Governor J.B. Pritzker's $1.8 billion family relief plan. According to the Illinois Department of Revenue, the checks started going out earlier this week, and distribution should finish by roughly mid-November. Governor Pritzker said in a press conference, there are those who might have sent those funds straight back into the pockets of the 1% and big corporations instead of working families. But that is not what good government does. Assistant Comptroller Kevin Shobin told reporters that the state was working overtime to get the checks to eligible taxpayers. The relief plan, which went into effect on July 1st, also includes a pause of the planned gas tax increase until January 2023 and a suspension of sales tax on groceries through July 2023. Illinois residents who paid taxes in 2021 and made under $200,000 if they filed individually or under $400,000 for couples who filed jointly, all will qualify. Individuals will receive a $50 income tax rebate. Couples will receive $100. The rebate is also worth $100 per dependent that is claimed on your 2021 taxes for up to 3 dependents. So in all, a family of 4 can earn as much as $300. Illinois residents who paid state property taxes last year on their primary residence in 2020 are eligible for the rebate. But friends, officials have said that if you have not already received your refund, a physical check will be mailed to the address on your tax return. For residents receiving both property and income rebates, the payments will come in a single deposit or check. If you believe you are eligible for a refund check and do not receive one, you have until October 17, 2022 to file a property tax rebate form. Well, my marvelous and magnificent friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you, friends, for joining me here every day and watching all the videos that I post. I'll be announcing a winner for the Walmart gift card giveaway in a video later today, so please make sure you listen for the keywords and enter them in the comment section below, and do stay tuned for that video. Thank you, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed afternoon.